going to talk about the range of aftermarket salt cells available from mrpoolman.com.au. These are high quality aftermarket replacement cells. They come with a 2-year warranty and there's various sizes and models to suit your application. You do need to replace your existing cell like for like with what you have there at the moment. You can't replace a tri-cell with a Zodiac LM3 cell. It just won't work. So be sure to get your right cell information and feel free to contact us if you need a hand in matching your right cell with what you have. The cells are made from a heavy duty resin material. So as you can see, the end caps on all the cells are of solid, high quality material. Replacing your cell is super easy and straightforward. We also have other how-to guides on how to do this yourself, but it's as simple as unplugging or disconnecting your existing cells from your terminals, taking the cell out of the housing. There's no tools required. Replacing the new aftermarket cell into your housing, connecting the cable up, screwing up any sort of barrel unions that you may have undone, and away you go. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au and we'd be more than happy to help. I'm Tom, happy swimming.